Hello students, we will be covering the topic respiration and its types. I have made notes and displayed them throughout the video. Kindly pause the video according to your convenience and note them down in your biology notebooks. So let's get started with it. Now what is respiration? It is a chemical process of release of energy by the oxidation of various organic molecules for the cellular use. It is initiated in the cytoplasm and completed in the mitochondria. Why mitochondria? As you have studied in class 9, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, which is responsible for the formation of ATP, that is the adenosine triphosphate molecules. Now this process will take place in all the active cells for 24 hours a day. Now, depending upon the availability of oxygen, there are two types of respiration. Each glucose molecule breaks down into two molecules of pyruvate. Now, a glucose molecule contains 6 carbon atoms and a pyruvate molecule contains 3 carbon atoms. So, a glucose splits into 2 pyruvate molecules in the cytoplasm. This process is known as glycolysis, and this process does not require oxygen. Now the respiration is of two types, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. The aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of sufficient amount of oxygen. Because there is availability of sufficient oxygen, the pyruvate molecules are forwarded to the mitochondria, where each pyruvate molecule will completely oxidize to produce carbon dioxide, water, and lots of amount of energy in the form of round about 36 to 38 ATP molecules. The second type of respiration is anaerobic respiration. Now anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of sufficient amount of oxygen. Since there is no oxygen, no oxidation of food will take place, and this process will be completed in the cytoplasm only. In the cytoplasm, each pyruvate molecule will be converted either into ethyl alcohol, which is also known as ethanol, or lactic acid and carbon dioxide, and a very less amount of energy is produced, that is round about 2 to 4 ATP molecules. This can be understood in a better way. I have displayed a flow chart in front of you. Now this flow chart shows you that the glucose is splitted into pyruvate in the cytoplasm. Now if the pyruvate are converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy, this will take place in the absence of oxygen in the cytoplasm itself, or in the cytoplasm only in the absence of oxygen. The pyruvate are converted into lactic acid, carbon dioxide and energy. These two steps are known as anaerobic respiration, and if the pyruvate is pushed inside the mitochondria in the presence of oxygen, then this pyruvate will oxidize to form carbon dioxide, water, and lots of amount of energy will be formed.